Okay, to take a look at the wireless air pump. We got our instructions. Comes with a carrying pouch, always nice to have. And we got the pump. So on the bottom we got USB-A, USB-C, and it looks like a charging port. On the top we got a light, we got our air supply, and we got our vents on both sides. That's a very nice looking display. Okay, so you can see right now we are in bar. We can change that to PSI. It looks like it goes from car to bicycle to motorcycle, and then to a ball. So that's kind of nice. You got a couple of different settings if you want to have something preset in there. So I'm going to set it to PSI, and I want it to stop at 50 PSI. Now if you want to turn the light on as well, got a couple of flashing options. That's very nice. So if you're filling up your tire on the side of the road, you can kind of use that to warn people. But I also just like having that light on there so that we can actually see what the recommended PSI is on the side of the tire. So we got our charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. We also have a car outlet adapter, so if we want to charge this thing using our car, we can do that. We got our nozzle, and it's a nice short one, which I actually like because those long ones, they have a tendency just to kind of get in the way. So I think this is a good idea, and it just threads right in. Then we also got some adapters, so if we want to fill up some inflatables, basketballs, or whatever, we can do that. Okay, so this one is pretty low. I'm actually going to set this to 30 PSI for this, just because that is the rating on the side of the tire. And the one thing I can say that I really like about it right now is that it is not very loud. Like, you can hear me talk, and it's not a problem. So using this in my garage is not going to blow my ears out. Okay, and it does shut off automatically. And that is the only style of compressor that I like, just because I don't want to have to be sitting there watching it, making sure it doesn't overinflate. Something like this can just make that whole process much easier. And we might as well check our car tire while we're here. All right, we are at 32. This one we wanted to set to about 35. Cool. Nice and easy. So yeah, that is a pretty awesome little compressor.